Going to finish up that last part of your note sheet here. So we're going to just talk about the classification of triangles by side. So in the other video you did it by angles, now we're going to take a look at it by size. So the first type, these dashes right here mean that those two lines are equal. If they have the same number of dashes on the side, that mean those sides are equal. So this type of triangle is called isosceles. And isosceles triangles have two congruent. Remember, congruent means equal. So two congruent sides. This one we have, notice, 3 dashes. So this triangle is equilateral because they each have 1 dash. So that means that for this one we have 3 congruent sides. 3 equal sides. Remember, equa means equal. Take a look at this next one. None of our sides are the same. That makes a scalene triangle. And for scalene triangles, there's no congruent sides. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at this first problem here. So it says if M is the midpoint of JL, so if M is the midpoint, if this is 0.75, then this right here is also 0.75. And just for reference to myself, JL, this whole way across, would be 0.75 plus 0.75, which is 1.5. Okay? If M is the midpoint of JL, what type of triangle is JKL? So that triangle right there, we have a side of 1.5, a side of 0.75, and a side of 1.3. All of the sides are different, so that makes it a scalene triangle. Next, it asks us what type of triangle is JMK. So JMK. Right there, well, I see this side is 0.75, this side is 0.75, and this side is 0.75. So because all of our sides are both 0.75, it is an equilateral triangle. Again, that means that all of our sides are the same. Alright, let's move forward and let's go ahead and take a look at ABC. So it says ABC is isosceles with AB congruent to AC. So the measure of these two angles are equal to each other. So we need to find X. So I'm going to start by drawing a picture. That always helps me. So I have triangle ABC. Now I know that AB is congruent to AC. So I'm going to put dashes on each of those sides of the triangle so I know that AB and AC are equal. So it gives me that AB is equal to 3x minus 4. And then it gives me that AC is equal to 4x minus 9. Now I know by these dash marks that that means those two sides are equal. So to solve for x, I'm going to take AB, which is 3x minus 4, and set it equal to AC, which is 4x minus 9. So now we can go ahead and solve for x. I see that this is a positive 3x. So to get x over to the other side, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And then I'm left with negative 4. 4x minus 3x is x, and then minus 9. So then to solve for x, I'm going to do the opposite. Since it's subtracting 9, I'm going to add 9 and end up with x is equal to 5. So to answer that problem, I get that x is equal to 5. Now, let's just take a look at finishing what the question asks. So next it wants us to find the measure of AB. Well, AB is 3x minus 4. So I'm going to take out the x now and I'm going to plug in 5 and that's going to give me the measure. So I have 3 times 5, which is 15, and then minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. So the length of AB is 11. Now we're going to do the same for AC, which is 4x minus 9. So I have 4, and instead of doing x, I'm going to plug in 5 and then minus 9. So I have 20 minus 9, which is equal to 11. Now notice that line AB and AC came out to be the same length, which is true because they're congruent. So that concludes your note video today. Go ahead and show me your completed note sheet when you're done. Thanks for listening.